All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I was going to start out with this demo on these receptacles, but TJ came and worked with me early in the morning and all day, so I had him take that apart. I helped him shut the circuit off, all that stuff, just for a second. And then I went ahead and I was working on taking down some 277 lighting, so I locked that out for sure. Just taking out some power out of the they're not power poles, but they're like the doctor power poles kind of. So I was demoing out some wire out of there, going back to their boxes, and then hopped over to the other side of the containment and working on taking out all these receptacles, basically all the power inside of these little cabinets, whatever you want to call them. So working on all that and underneath all of these desks over there. So at the end of the day, pretty much got everything out, I believe. So basically just pulled out, I started out by pulling off the covers, writing down the circuits on the cabinets and stuff like that. And then I I made a list of all the circuits, went over to the panel, made sure none of the circuits went outside of the containment. One of them did. So got that squared away and refed, or made sure that didn't get shut off. Anyways, yeah, got that situated, and then turned off all the circuits, locked them out, pulled out all the receptacles, pulled out all the wire, so everything went really, really smoothly. And then over here for the cabinets, went ahead and found the underground feed for that down the wall. So we got all that pulled out for all of these boxes down here, which were quad receptacles. So anyways, got that, pulled out all those back to the home run box. So that was really nice to get that taken care of. Everything closed up, looking good. And over here is the down pipe that went to, there was two feeds. There's the panels that shut most of those off. There's two feeds that went down the wall, as you can see, those 90s right there, and then the home run pipe from the right side. So got all the wire pulled out of there. So that was really, really nice. Got everything accomplished that I wanted to. Here's a picture of that missing box with the 290s and the home run feed. So I told my coworker to take a picture like I just caught a big fish, and this is what we came up with. So anyways, got that taken out and on to the 150th burger of the year. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe, and the giveaway is soon. Peace.